Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can reactivate your Snapchat account after 30 days. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now the first step is open Snapchat, and since you haven't logged in into your account, this is going to be your interface. Over here, click on login and enter your Snapchat's username and your Snapchat's password. Now once you enter the password of your account and the username of your Snapchat account, just click on login and simply log in into your account, and your account should be reactivated, because the easiest way to reactivate your Snapchat account is to just log in into your account, because once you log in into your account, your Snapchat will automatically reactivate. You don't have to go through anything like any website or any place. Just come over here and it should work. And in some case, if it doesn't work, then what you can do is go under search engine and search for Snapchat support. Alright, so Snapchat support is like the official support website of Snapchat. Now once you're over here, you can type account reactivation, and they're going to help you reactivate your account if you faced any problem while you're trying to log in into your account. Alright, but yeah, just simply log in into your account should reactivate your Snapchat account. So that's how we guys can reactivate your Snapchat account after 30 days. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.